walkthrough tour of Platinum Yucatan Princess All Suites and Spa Resort in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a resort tour of the Platinum Yucatan Princess. So I had the pleasure of going to this resort, and the first day was a bit confusing. I always take the first day to just kind of check everything out. So this is the main entrance to the resort. This is normally for most resorts where you're obviously going to find the check-in, the concierge. This also is where you will find the spa as well, which is going to be to the right of us. And then to the left of this beautiful fountain is where you would actually check in. Straight ahead, all the way down this beautiful water feature is where you would actually find the beach. Now, the beach we are going to get to at the end of this video. So many people always ask me on my videos in the comments, what's going on with the beach? What month did you go? How does it look? So we're going to get into all of that at the end of the video. I have exclusive footage just about the beach during the video itself at the end. So make sure you stay all the way until the end. So that way you guys can get a view of what the beach looked like when I was here. But the resort itself was absolutely beautiful. It was, just very clean, very well taken care of, which I absolutely loved. And it was really easy to follow. There's some resorts where I get super lost. So this right now, I just made a left right outside of the front desk. And that is going to lead me basically to everything, guys. So right here is a little kind of like nightclub theater that they have going on. And this is also where you are going to find some of the specialty dining to the left hand, on the left-hand side, to the left on the left-hand side of the walking tour. To the right is actually going to be, some rooms and the building. Now, to the left is two restaurants that were specialty restaurants. I went to one of them. I did not enjoy it at all. I do have an exclusive food video. So all of the videos that I have for Platinum Yucatan Princess are going to be tagged on this video. So as soon as you're done with the walking tour, you can then jump in to the food video so you guys know honestly what to expect. I have been to over 100 different resorts worldwide. I am a food snob, and I think I have a very good palate on food. So when something isn't great or isn't the best quality, I can immediately tell. So the review itself is very honest. Some people really don't care about the food and they're just there for the drinks and the beach and the pools, and that's totally fine. But for myself, if I'm going to an all-inclusive, I want to make sure the food is good. So watch that video. So as soon as we made the left, we passed those two specialty dining, and now we are going towards the buffet. So the buffet is to the left. As soon as you see this desk here, it is to the left. Again, full video on that. Now, the buffet is breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it really does have a great variety, and they have drinks there. Then when you go to the right, you will find one bar and just this really beautiful kind of setting here. At nighttime, all of this was just absolutely gorgeous with all the trees lit up, and there is water features. So I absolutely really enjoyed that. And then to the left is that bar that we were talking about, and that is open afternoon till the evening time. Drinks, cocktails, coffees, a great lounge area. I never felt like we had nowhere to go during our stay here, which was really nice. Sometimes this on a smaller resort, because if you don't know, this is a smaller resort. Sometimes on smaller resorts, you kind of just feel like, all right, I feel like we kind of did everything. And I didn't feel like that here. We only stayed a couple of days. We weren't here longer than a week, but I still felt like we had places to kind of just hang out and veg out and just, enjoy a cocktail in a really nice space. So I really did appreciate that. The staff also was super nice, super helpful. We really, got, I feel, great service. Now, the one thing though that's really great about the Platinum Yucatan Princess, even though it is a smaller resort, you do have access to the sister resorts that are right around in the same area, in the same compound. So you would just go right to the main entrance. They have little golf carts and they will bring you right over if you request to go. So I really did like that as well. Because we were able to just kind of break it up a little bit and still be able to go and have access to more things outside of what you will see in the resort itself. So here during the day, obviously we know the Mexican Caribbean, those seats really weren't occupied at all during the day. Nighttime, it was occupied. It was, again, a great seating area. They do also have wait staff coming around. So now this little pool here is for the rooms that were in the front of the resort. The front of the resort is just one building. Now what we are going to be doing is once you get past the front kind of entrance where we were, you would literally just walk across the street where we were from the beginning, and that is where all of the other rooms and buildings are for the resort itself, and also the main kind of party area as well in Platinum Yucatan Princess. So right now, if you are looking for just kind of more like a quiet vacation, this is the section that you guys would want to be in. You saw that pool was super kind of just chill, quiet, not many people, but there was a pool bar. So you still had your swim up option and it was just more relaxed. But once you cross over to the other side of the street and we walk towards the kind of main hub of the resort when it comes to the rooms, the pools, and the party area, that is where you are going to have more of your lively experience. This is also where you are going to find the third specialty restaurant on the compound in Platinum Yucatan Princess, and that is called Rodeo, excuse me. I always have to feel like I have to add an accent to everything. So that is where you will find Rodeo, the steakhouse. That restaurant is very nice. These cool looking chairs are part of that as well. So you would just walk right through here, and that is where you would find the specialty dining for this, for Platinum Yucatan Princess. Guys, I have not finished my coffee this morning. So with that being said, you are able to go to the other resorts, restaurants as well. But again, that full description and everything else you need to know is going to be in the food video. So there is also restrooms throughout the entire resort, so you don't feel like you have to run back to your room anytime you have to use the restroom. And the main party hub itself is going to be around building 3 and 4. So if you guys are looking for more of that party experience, you want to make sure that you are going to be requesting those rooms. If you are not looking for that huge party experience, then I would not recommend, asking for those rooms and possibly asking to avoid those rooms. Now, I can't say that the party area got super crazy when we were there, but we also were in the resort on the off season. So I couldn't tell you during high season just how crazy and crowded the party area got. But even just from when we were there, there was still a lot of people here. It was still a lot of fun. Every day they were playing bingo. they were doing some type of aquatic, activity. So it was definitely super, super fun. The swim out suites were definitely a great bonus as well, because you were obviously able to just kind of hang out in your room, still kind of be part of the crowd and all of the music and enjoy what's going on without having to possibly be in the center of the pool. And you would have your own space, which was super nice. Now, with that being said, there is a secondary quiet space that you can go to during your stay, and that is past the party area, past 3 and 4. And these rooms, now one of the buildings has a back section, so that building is attached or closer to the party area, but you want to make sure that you let them know that that is not where you want to stay. Again, if you are looking for the quiet section of the Platinum Yucatan Princess. A lot of people ask me all the time. I get emails all the time from you guys, DMs on Instagram all the time, asking exactly where you should stay for the Platinum Yucatan. And if you really have no idea about the Platinum Yucatan, it is also adults only. So that's why, the party section of the Platinum Yucatan is something that a lot of people ask about. So with that being said, just keep that in mind. Now, walking towards the beach, guys, let's get into this. We went into Mexico. We traveled into Mexico. We were there in August. So this right now, what you are seeing is August. Some days it was good, other days it was really bad, and this was the moment where it was really, really bad. Unfortunately, sargasso, it's called sargasso, which is the seaweed that forms in the Caribbean at this point. Just the last decade, from April up until September, this seaweed just comes up to the shore. There's nothing that anybody can do. This is literally just Mother Nature, I want to say, crying for help. People are saying global warming. We could get into like a lot of different conversations and topics about this, but you guys can look this up for yourself. It is called sargasso, sargasso. Sometimes people call it sargasm. So you could just look this up so you could understand it a little bit better. Now, the resort itself did try its best efforts to clean it up every single day, but unfortunately, they couldn't keep up. Many of the resorts cannot keep up, but they did try their best with cleaning up. The one thing you guys do need to know that it does smell. I really hope that this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.